It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, so we will continue with the third part of spatial aptitude. So I have done Bose-Einstein separators, and then yesterday I have explained you how to cut a cube when it is dipped in paint, how to find out three-phase painted, two-phase painted, one-phase painted, zero-phase painted. Let's see today question series regarding that so that you can have more clarity of how to solve the questions there. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011. These are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So many students were asking me, what is the difference between plus and iconic, sir? What will be the advantages that we choose if we choose iconic or plus? The first best advantage is you will be assigned with a personal coach and you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and your educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation. You will get the best solutions for that. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. If they are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. Study booster sessions will be available. For each and every topic, you will be getting specialized notes, practice sets. One more advantage when you choose iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes so that you can complete all your software courses. So for core branches, this will be a supplementary thing for their career, right? So it will be a backup, good backup for their career. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. Now these are the features what you get in plus and iconic. How much you have to invest if you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right finally to me, and you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. For 12 months, it will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to, yes, we have introduced one more category, 9-month subscription. Those who are aiming at GATE 2023 prep, right now, this will be damn helpful, right? For an optimized preparation, right? Those are aiming at exactly GATE 2023. And again, if you are subscribing to iconic for 12 months, the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, we heard your concerns, so we have dropped our iconic prices by 21%. See this price drop. Now the 1 year price will be 52,000 only, right? Previously it used to be 55,886. So get the benefits of iconic as I said in the previous slides, and also you will be getting physical notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? Do try to avail this, and you all know that. So across all the categories, Unacademy is going to hike the prices, and the hiked price will be starting from June 1st 12 sharp, right? So the reduced prices will be available up to May 31st 11:59 p.m. So do try to subscribe those who are serious to join the courses using with my code NLN10. And yes, we are going to categorize the GATE and DSC category into four separate subscriptions. So see here, and those who want to watch the content of all the branches, now you have to subscribe right now. The branching of the GATE and ESC category will be done from June 1st. And as I have said that, right, those whomsoever subscribe to 1 year and above iconic subscriptions, you will be provided with free physical notes, right? Chalo, we will start the discussion here. I'll solve one question, and the next question I am expecting from you guys to solve the question there. 1 second, let me go to the question directly. This is the question there. So you have to draw the things there. Unless until if you don't draw, I mean, it is so tough to understand also. Ab dekho, there are two cubes, it seems, are joined together. Now these two cubes are joined together, it seems. Let us suppose that this is a cube, and these two cubes are joined. and colored golden on all the available 10 faces. Now if you join two cubes, how many faces will be available? This face is not available, this face is not available. Total 5 in this, 5 in this, total only 10 faces are available. So only 10 faces are available. Okay, done. And now you have separated these two cubes and you have cut down the cubes into 27 pieces, it seems. So a cube is cut down 20. So if nothing is given, you have to consider it as equal pieces only. So 27 pieces matlab I have to take down in this way 3 into 3 into 3. So chalo, for your understanding, what I will do is I will take down the data like this. I'll draw the diagram. You can understand. Oh, 1 second. Take down this. I'll also take down, draw this. Just for the sake of understanding, you can easily. So what I have done is these two cubes are painted and then removed. Then in which phase the paint will not be there? Can you identify this? I will cross off that line there. Now see here, this phase will not be painted. I'll cross off this. This phase will not be painted. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? And see here, this space is not painted. This cube is divided into 3 into 3 into 3. This space is divided into 3 into 3 into 3. And ab dekho beta, I'll just rewind the data which I have done in the previous class so that you can remember there. This is what I have discussed, how to cut a cube, right? How to cut a cube and how to find out 3 face painted. Formula observe there, 8 corners, 2 face painted का formula दे दिया आपको, 1 face painted का formula दे दिया आपको, and 0 face painted and cubes covered. All these formulas were given there. Done. So now we will go to the questions there. Now what is the first question asked? How many cubes will remain uncolored is the question asked. First of all, initially, where do you observe uncolored cubes? When you remove the corners, cubes and edges, the core part, the inner core part is not colored. And this core is nothing but called uncolored, which is generally what we see there. So how to find out that formula? Everybody know core uncolored part can be find out with this formula x minus 2 whole cube, because all the x, y, z has same number of cubes now. So what will be the answer there? So x value is how much ma? X value is 3. So can I write down this 3? The 3 minus 2, is it 1? Yes. So here 1, here 1. So automatically can I write down like this 1 plus 1? Is it 2? Done. Now apart from this, now can anybody say where do you observe 0 face painted cubes? आप ध्यान से सुनो बेटा. Will you observe in this phase? Will you observe in this phase? How to find out face painted cubes there? You know the formula there, 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 is nothing but the formula to find out one face painted cubes, because you observe one face painted cubes on the face only, but you have to find out 0 face. How many faces doesn't have any paint? This is for 6 faces. So this face doesn't have, this face doesn't have. So I will tweak the formula. Having only 2 there. I hope so I am clear there. Only 2 faces now. Now what will be the answer there here? 2 faces here, 2 faces. X value is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 and again 2. So adding this 2 together, what will be the answer there? Is it 4? Yes, it is 4 and your option number C. So remain uncolored. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. I'll solve the sixth one. Next question you have to solve for me. How many cubes will receive color on? How many cubes will receive color on at least 2 faces? Minimum 2 faces it seems. So minimum 2 faces means it has to start with 2 and it has to go up to maximum. Your maximum is 3. So you have to eliminate 1, 0. Am I right or wrong? Already zero colored faces you already wrote there 4. Okay, chalo, totally here 27 are there, 27 are there. 27 plus 27 is nothing but 56. Am I right or wrong? So chalo, we'll write down this 2 face colored faces. 2 face colored paint. Now normally where do you observe 2 face colored painted? On edges. Am I right or wrong? But up dekho bhai, I'll write down this edge doesn't have 2 face colored. 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 Because see here, this face is not painted now. This cube will not be painted here. Only one face will be painted. Similarly here also 1, 2, 3, 4 will not be painted. Only 8 edges in one cube will be having 2 face painted. I'll write down only 8. 8 into x minus 2. Normally your formula is 12. So our condition we need only 8. And in the second cube it is 8 into x minus 2. And your x value is nothing but equal to 3. So this is nothing but how much? Is it 16? Yes. Ab dhyan se suno beta 16. Now come to this one 3. Normally irrespective of the number of cuts there will be 8 corner cubes which will be 3 face painted. But up dekho idhar, this face is not 3 face painted. This face is not 3 face painted. This face is not 3 face painted. Similarly here also, this face is not 3 face painted. This face is not 3 face painted. Right? This face is not 3 face painted. This face is not 3 face painted. I hope so. I am clear regarding this, right? Totally how many are there? Here 4, here 4, 16 plus 4, 16 plus 8. Am I right or wrong? So I'll write down here. This 8 will be having 2 face colored. Am I right or wrong? So I have to add this one. So 16, so 2 face colored, I will be adding one more 8. Plus now I will be adding 3 face painted. This one. I will be adding 3 face painted. 3 face painted kitna hai? Bolo bhai. Now either 4, totally 8. So completely this value is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 32? Yes, it is 32. And my option number A. Hope so clear. Done. Let's come to the next one, right? So how many cubes will have only one face colored painted? Right? So one face colored painted means normally where do you observe one face colored painted? On the faces. How many are there? 6 faces are there, but this face is not colored. This face is not colored. Our formula is, normally we have a formula to find out one face colored painted is 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. But in one cube there are only 5 faces painted, so I can change the formula to write down according to our convenience. Can I write down this as 5? Yes, I will write down this as 5. And ab dhyan se suno, now what will be the value there? X value is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1, this is 5. And again for the next cube also there will be 5, which is nothing but equal to 10. Apart from this, where do you find out one face painted? Ab dekho, this 4 edges will be having one face painted. This 4 edges will be having one face painted. So I'll write down here this 4 edges, matlab 8 edges total. I'll write down like this. This 4 edges of one cube will be having one face painted because that face is not completely painted. Am I right or wrong? Right? 4 into x minus 2. Let me know this there. Now x value is how much? 3. So this will be 4. For the next cube also there will be the same value 4 and this is 8. So automatically what will be the answer there? 10 plus 8, is it 18? It's 18. Perfectly your answer is B. So I am expecting you guys to solve the 8th one. As I solved 3 questions, so let's try with this one. 8th one. Try this. Any answer for this? So you have to try it here. You should give a best try. If not, that will be a problem, right? Any answers for this? How many cubes will be having all the 3-phase colored painted? Ma, already we have done all these things. Ma, the answers are right. This 4 is 3-phase painted. Here, this 4 is 3-phase painted. Totally 8, and your answer is C. Once you understand the logic there, it's very easy to solve. Shall we go to the next one? Now I will be giving you 2 minutes time for this. I just want you guys to draw the diagram. That's it. If you can draw the diagram, that is enough for me. I will not ask you apart from this, nothing. Draw the diagram there. I will solve the question here. Draw the diagram and I'll solve the question there. Two equidimensional cubes are joined face to face and are colored with red on all available open faces. One cube is divided into 8 equal pieces and the other cube is divided into 27 equal pieces. How many cubes have 3 sides colored? How many cubes have 3 sides colored? How many cubes have 2 sides colored? Any answers? Of course, those who can draw the diagram can easily answer the question, right? That's not a big deal. So see here again, I'll draw the diagram there. Just give me 1 second. I'll draw the diagram. Then we can understand what we are doing it perfectly. Right? Now, observe here. Two equid are joined face to face and colored with red on all available faces. Matlab, when you join these two cubes, these faces will be covered. Automatically, this will not be painted. You have removed these two cubes. But this cube is cut down into 8 equal pieces. It seems means it will be in the format of 2 into 2 into 2, and the other cube is cut down in the format of 3 into 3 into 3. So by this format, you can now you closely observe there are only 8 cubes in this cube means अब देखो all the 8 cubes will be corners only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All the 8 cubes are corners only, right? So by this I can easily decide it. Now let me know the first question. How many cubes have 3 side colored, it seems? So how can you find out this now? Now automatically see here, this face is not painted. This is two face painted. This is two face painted. This is two face painted corner. This is two face painted corner. Similarly, this is also two face painted corner. Two face painted corner, two face painted corner, and two face painted corner. So see here, this 4 cubes are nothing but 3 face painted here, and this 4 cubes are 3 face painted here. So automatically, what will be the answer there? Totally 4 plus 4 combinedly together of the 2 cubes, and your answer is 8. Now, how many cubes have two side color? Where do you observe normally a two side colored cubes? On the edges? But up dekho, this edge there will be only one face colored. This edge there will be only one face colored. This edge will be there only one face colored. Of course, right, you need not draw it also because all the corners only. This edge will be having one face, one face, one face, one face, right? See here. So out of this, only 8 edges will be having two face colored x minus 2. And in this there are no such called edge right? Edge face colored are not there, only corners are there, 4 corners, right? Am I right or wrong? So I can write down it as 4 here for this. So in the place of x I will substitute 3 for the right hand side cube. So 8 plus 4, your answer will be equal to 12. Will you accept this? Perfectly done. Let's see how many can solve this 11th one, least color, right? This will be a perfect question to answer there. You can just go back to the previous data and check there. Try it this 2 minutes. Of course, you can solve this question in 30 seconds. Forty seconds more, beta. Any answer? right? How many cubes have at least one side colored? It seems at least one side colored. Let's come back. At least one means it has to be minimum one. I have to eliminate 0. So maximum is 2 comma 3. I have to write down all these 3. I have to eliminate this. If you can find out this value and you can subtract from the total automatically, that will be the answer. There will be no 0 face painted cubes, ma'am. Here, yes. First of all, inner core will be having there. I will find out this inner core, right? X minus 2 whole cube. Automatically, x value is nothing but 3. So this one cube have 0 face painted. Coming to next one, this face also doesn't have any face painted. So this face, only for this face I will find out the answer there. For this face, so this is the formula there, 1 minus x minus 2 into x minus 2, two-dimensional shape na. So automatically again here also 1. Apart from this, can you find out any? Yes, you can find out, right? Ab dekho, 4 edges will also have one face painted, right? So we are finding out 0 face painted, so no need of that, right? So finally done. So 2 face. Totally your answer is 2. By this, what can I say? Totally this is 27 plus 8 ma 35. 35 minus 2, that will be 33. So this 33 will be having at least one face painted. How many of you got this idea there to solve it easily? And your answer is 33. Is there any option 33? Yes, there is an option called 33. Now you can find out the remaining things very easily. How many cubes have no side colored? Now already we have calculated this. No side colored cubes ka value kitna tha? 2. Is there any option there? Yes, there is an option called C. How many sides have only one sided colored? Where do you find out first of all one side colored? On the faces. Now this cube completely corners only. I'll come back to this. So only 5 faces will be having one face painted. 5 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 is the formula there. And again you will be having 4 edges with one face painted. So I'll write down 4 into x minus 2. Now this value is nothing but equal to 5 and this value is nothing but equal to 4. So automatically what will be your answer there? 9. So totally 9 cubes will be having one side colored there. D. Perfectly written there without any ambiguity. Hope so clear. Done. So chalo, let's solve the next one, and I am expecting you guys to draw the diagram there. So I'm not expecting you to the answer there. So I'll write down like this. I'm expecting diagram there. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Draw the diagram. Find out which corner has which color, which edge has which color, which face has which color. Of course, finding out face colors is very easy. Forty seconds more. Five seconds, ma. Any answer? No. Arey, just draw the diagram, yaar. So see here, I'll draw the diagram. 99.9% questions, if you can draw the diagram, you can easily get the answer. I'll take a black slide and I'll draw it so that it's a little bit you can understand. Sorry. It will be a very good looking thing. 1 second. Done. Let's see this. Now, let's come back. There is a cube in which one pair of opposite faces is painted red, it seems. Let us suppose take, if I draw red on top surface, my bottom surface will be opposite and this will be red here. Come back to the next one. Second pair of opposite faces painted blue. So left hand side blue matlab right hand side will also be blue. Come to next one. Third pair of opposite faces is painted green. So automatically, so if back surface is green, your front surface, so to have a clear cut understanding, I'll round off this. This is your front surface. Now what happened, what you have done for this cube? This cube is now cut into 216 smaller but identical cubes, it seems. 216 smaller but identical cubes means, so it is in the fashion of 6 into 6 into 6. On x-axis there will be 6 cubes, y-axis 6 and z-axis 6. That is the point there. Now first of all, what happened, you have cut down this. So let us find out at what place what color will you observe there. Let's come with corners first of all. I'll write down corners. In this corner, what are the colors that you observe there? Top red, front green, side blue. So I'll write down in chronology order: blue, green, red. So one cube. Now here again right hand side blue, top green, top red, left back green. Again blue, green, red. So automatically here, is it blue, green, red? Yes, it is blue, green, red. Here, is it blue, green, red? Yes, it is blue, green, red. 4. Is it blue, green, red? Yes, it is blue, green, red. So 5. Here again blue, green, red. Here blue, green, red. Here blue, green, red, red. So all the 8 cubes will be having the same pattern of color: blue, green, red. Let's come to the next one. So let us find out the number of edges with having different colors. Then we will calculate the number of cubes having that color later. So to have little bit more easiness. Let's suppose take what is the color that you observe in this edge there. I will be writing down identified. Top red, front green. So it is green, red. 1. Now come to here. This one. Top red, this is blue, blue, red. Again 1. Now here it is blue, red. Second cube with blue, red. Here green, red. One more cube with green, red. Here green, red. Again one more cube with green, red. Now here again green, red. Again one more cube with green, red. Here blue, green. Yes, blue, green. Observe the things there. Blue, green. One more cube is there. Now here front green, side blue. Again second cube with blue, green. Here again green, blue, third cube. Now here blue, red, third cube. Now here blue, green, fourth cube. Now here up red, side blue, blue, red, 4. So there are 4 edges with those respective colors, and later on you can find out the number of cubes there. You need not worry. So faces matlab, whatever the face color, that will be 2 green, 2 red, 2 blue. That I can easily find out there. I will solve 2 questions and you have to solve me the next 2 questions. I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Let's come to the question there. How many small cubes are there with no red paint at all? First of all, if you remove corners, edges, faces, the inner core doesn't contain any color. Leave about red. It doesn't contain blue, green also. So can I take those value? Yes, I can take those value. So as x, y, z are equal values, I will take down x minus 2 whole cube. So x value is nothing but equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 cube is nothing but equal to 64. Plus, let's come back. How many corners doesn't have red? All the corners have red. So I must take down 0. How many edges doesn't have red? How many edges doesn't have red? Now see here, these two edges have red. Blue green doesn't have red. So automatically 4 edges doesn't have red. 4 into, and my formula is x minus 2. Now dekho, x is nothing but equal to 6. 6 minus 2, 4, and this is equal to 16. Coming to one face painted, how many faces doesn't have red? 4 faces. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 4 faces. Blue 2, green 2. 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. This is the value there. Now you closely observe there. What is the answer there? This value is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. This is the value there. Calculate this. 6 plus 64. 64 plus 64 is how much? 128. 138. 144 plus 6. 150. Are we making any mistake there? Oh, okay. This is 64. I have added this. 64 plus 64 is 128. 138, 144, and your option number B satisfies that. As I have solved this question, why don't you try the 17th one? How many small cubes are there with at least 2 different colors? Means your minimum has to start with 2 and your maximum is 3. So you have to write down these 2. You have to eliminate 1, 0. Done. Let's try see this diagram and try it. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Twenty seconds more. So you have to eliminate this. What you got the answer there? Seriously? So let's find out this. Either you can eliminate this or you can write down this. Ab dekho. First of all, you know this 0 face painted is nothing but called 64. In the previous question, you have calculated this. Now let us find out one face painted. Where do you observe one face painted normally? You observe one face painted on the face. Am I right or wrong? So how many are there? 6 faces are there. 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. So finally you closely observe that your x value is equal to 6 now. So 6 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. 64 plus 64 is nothing but equal to 0 and one face painted. Na? How many small cubes are there with at least two different colors now? Yes, all these have two different colors only now. Perfectly done. I can write down this 12 into x minus 2. So x value is nothing but equal to 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 12 fours are 48. 48 plus 8 is how much? 48 plus 8 is 56. Is there any option there? Yes, there is an option called 56. Am I right or wrong? So you have to eliminate this 0 comma 1. In this 0 comma 1, are we missing out anything there? Yes, here we are missing down this. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. This is how much ma? 4 fours 96 ma. This value is 96 na. Even easily solve. This is 96. Out of 216. Out of 216. Remove 96. How much? 120 or 64. Remove karo. Yes, it is 56. From total, remove this value 216. You will get the final answer there, and you will get the final answer as 56 only. Here, we are right. Come to this one. Next one. So, how many small cubes are there without any face painted? This is what we have solved numerous times in this question only. X minus 2 whole cube. So, in the place of x, we have to substitute 6. So, 6 fours are 64. I mean, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. Now, I want you guys to answer this. How many cubes are there with only red? Only red and green. I will solve this. Only red and green on this faces, it seems. So only red and green, is it this? Yes, completely. So can I take down this? Only these 4 faces have only red and green. 4 into x minus 2, and my x value is equal to 6. For 6, is it 16? Yes, it is 16. And your option number D. Let's come to this 20th one. Let us see how many can solve this. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Seconds more. Any idea to solve this? Li? What is the question there? How many small cubes are there showing only green or only blue? Only green faces will be having 2. Only only blue faces will be having 2. So automatically one face painted cubes only now. So automatically you have to multiply this with 2. Only green 2, only blue 2. So 4 into 4 because x value is 6 now. So what will be the answer there? 4 cube, is it 64? Yes, it is 64 and your option number A. Done. So little bit, if you can imagine the question there, this is one such purest question where only your imagination will work out. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes to draw the diagram there. Those who draw the diagram, and also you can answer 21 if you wish there. Then I'll draw the diagram there. Forty seconds more, beta. Any idea to solve? So what's the answer there? A cube of 7 into 7 into 7 centimeter is kept in the corner of a room and painted in 3 different colors. Painted in 3 different colors. Each face in one color. Okay. A cube of 7 into 7 into 7 is kept in the corner of a room and painted in 3 different colors. Each face in one color, it seems. The cube is now cut into 343 smaller but identical pieces. So I'll take down a slide. I'll take a blank slide, so that's why I can draw the diagram perfectly to understand, to have a clear-cut understanding, right? So let me draw it. How many of you got this? Done. Now see here, you have pushed this cube in the corner of a room, it seems. In the corner of a room means, let us suppose take this face will not be painted, this face will not be painted, and the down surface will not be painted. Observe the corner of a room. Imagine it, right? If you push it, down face will not be painted, right face will not be painted. If you push it in the right corner, right, back face will not be painted. Let us suppose take right remaining colors, right? So let us suppose take red, green and blue. So front face blue I'll take down like this. Now closely observe there. I will draw all the things carefully. Now let us go with corners. Now observe there, this corner is not at all painted. It is zero face painted. Now see, this cube is now cut down 343 means it is cut down into 7 into 7 into 7. XYZ has 7 number of cubes, right? Right. I hope so you got my point there. Now in this cube, in this corner cube, how many faces are painted? Only one face. You closely observe there, no paint, blue. Now come to here, top it is painted, front it is painted, side is not painted, it is a two face colored. Now here it is one face colored. Ab dekho only top face, right? Now here two faces are painted. Am I right or no? One face is not painted. Now here only one face is painted, ma, green color, only green. Now here ma, so side is painted, this two faces are painted, top is not painted, I mean down is not painted. Now here red, front blue, side green, this is three colored painted. I hope so you got my point there. Let's come to the edges there. Which edge contains which color, we'll write. Now see here, do this edge has any color? No, zero face, I'll write down zero. Now do this edge has any color? No, this is also zero. Do this edge has color? Yes, this edge has color. Now it is one face painted. Do this edge has color? No, it is zero face painted. Now here this edge has one face painted. This edge has two face painted. This edge has only one face painted. Will you accept with me? This edge has one face painted. This edge also has one face painted. This edge has two face painted. This has two face painted. Now this has one face painted. Hope so you got my point there. Totally 12 done. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Am I right or wrong? One, so let us check there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yes, 12 done. Now faces, everybody know, three faces are not painted, three faces are painted. By this I can solve the question there. I will solve the first one. Next question you have to solve for me. How many smaller faces do not have any face painted? Normally, where do you observe zero face painted? In the core. I will find out that value first. Core value, core zero face painted is nothing but x minus 2 whole cube, and my x value is equal to 7. So automatically 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 cube is 125. Plus, come to the next one. Now where do we find out zero face? Let us come to corners. A key corner tha which is not painted at all. Am I right or wrong? So I'll write down this one. This one is nothing but called corner. How many edges have zero face painted? Zero face painted edges batao by 1 2 3 are there. So 3 are there. 3 into x minus 2, and your x value is nothing but equal to 7. Now 7 minus 2 5. 5 3s are 15. Coming to next one. Now faces, how many? Three faces doesn't have any paint, ma. Am I right or wrong, sir? Three faces. 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. Now x value is nothing but equal to how much? 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 125 plus 75 is nothing but 100, plus 15 215, plus 1 is equal to how much, ma? Is it 216? Yes, it is 216. 216 cubes doesn't have any paint faced on its surface. I hope so I am clear regarding this. Yes. Chalo. Let us solve the next question. Now next question you have to solve for me, right? 2 minutes, try this. Already I cracked the entire data. Now solving this question is very easy. Any answer? 50 seconds for. Twenty seconds more. There, क्या हुआ, right? Answer the things there. There is no worry. Right or wrong? क्या हुआ? How many small cubes have exactly one color on them? Normally, where do you observe exactly one color? On the faces. There are only 3 face painted. So I'll find out first that value. Then I'll go back, right? 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 2, and my x value is nothing but equal to 7. 5 5s are 25, 75. Apart from this, where do you observe this one face painted? How many corners have? So 1, 2, any other corner? Any other corner? Yes, this corner also has one face painted. Am I right or wrong? 3 corners have. Will you accept with me? Yes, 3 corners have one. So plus 3, these 3 are related to corners. Coming to next one colored faces on the edges. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So 6 into x minus 2. Automatically 6 into x minus 2. These are nothing but called edges having one face colored. Automatically x is nothing but equal to 7. 7 minus 2, 5, 30. So 105 plus 3, is it 108? Yes, the answer is 108 and your option number A satisfies there. Perfectly done. Now let us try this 23. You can solve this question in 30 seconds, but I'm giving you 2 minutes there. Let's see how many can solve this. Fifty seconds more here. Twenty seconds more. Any answer? देखो, how many smaller cubes have at most 2 faces? It seems at most 2 faces means, see here, your maximum level is 2 and you cannot go beyond that. Beyond that it is only 3. So I have to write down all the things below 3. Ab dekho, you can easily do this one, right? There are totally 343 cubes. In those, if you can subtract this value, automatically that will be the remaining value. How many cubes have 3 face painted? Only one cube has 3 face painted. Remaining all cubes have at most 2 face painted, -1. So my answer is, so see, itna easy ho gaya mere ko. I have done in 30 seconds, not even 30 seconds, right? 342. Or otherwise you can calculate all those values and then also you can write down these things there. Already we have done exactly one color ka value kitna, 0 ka value kitna tha. Do not have 216. I'll write down here. 0 is 216. Exactly one color is 108. Exactly two colored itself you can find out this two color. How many edges are there with two colored? 1, 2, 1, 2, only 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, yes 3. So 3 into x minus 2, right? So this is 7. 7 minus 2, 5, 5 3s are 15. So 15 plus, आप ध्यान से सुनो, any other thing there with two face colored? How many edges are there? Corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 are there, plus 3. So totally 18. Add this 18 here, 8, 8, 16. 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. So 4, 3, 42. You got the same answer there. 0, 1, 2. Same. So this is very, very easy now to solve the question like this. Done. So one more question here. Let's see. Let's solve this. This one. So try this. Try to have the diagram there. 2 minutes. I'll solve this question. I'll end the class with this question. Don't worry about it. One minute more.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
the interruption here. So 125 cubes of the same size are arranged in the form of a cube on a table. Then a column of 5 cubes is removed from each of the 4 corners, it seems. So 125 means it is arranged in the format of 5 into 5 into 5. So one column of 5 cubes is removed from each of the 4 corners. Fine, okay. All the exposed faces of the rest of the solid except the face touching the table are colored red, it seems. So see here, I have visualized the diagram here. So with this visualization, we can solve the question fatafat, right? So I'll take down here. So this is the, so you have removed this column. You have removed this column. Second. So how many cubes were removed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have removed this column. Similarly, back side also you have removed 4 columns totally. So totally you have removed 4 into 5, 20 cubes were removed. So how many cubes were remained out of 125? If you remove 20, the remaining cube number will be 105 only. Is this your first question asked? Yes, this is your first question asked. Yes, what is the, how many small cubes are left over? How many small cubes are left over after the removal of the columns is the question asked. How many cubes do not have any colored face, it seems? First of all, where do you observe 0 colored faces? In the core. And this core value can be deduced by this value x minus 2 whole cube. This is 5, x is equal to 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 27. Apart from this, where do you observe? Let's check there. Now you closely observe there. This is the one. Now see, beneath the table, there it will be 0 faced only. So I'll write down like this. Observe here. This face will not be painted. This face will not be painted. 1, 2, 3. Consider it as a bottom. Consider it as bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9 cubes will not be painted. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So finally, can I write down this one? 27 plus 9, is it 36? Yes, it is 36 and this is the value there. Then let's come to the next one. How many cubes have only one red face, one face painted? Normally, where do you observe one face painted? On the face of the cube. Am I right or wrong? I'll write down the things there. Carefully observe there. In this face, is it one face painted? Yes. Is this one face painted? Yes. Is this one face painted? Yes. This is one face painted? Yes. Perfectly done. How many are there? 4 are there. Am I right or wrong? Similarly, will you get the same 4 here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides. Front, back, side, right. Okay. So automatically, how many are there? 4 4s are 16. Apart from that, where do you observe one face painted? You closely observe. This is one face painted top. This is one face painted. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So is it 9? Yes, completely 9. 16 plus 9. Totally, how many cubes have one face painted? 25. Is there any option? Yes, there is an option called C. How many cubes have 2 colored faces each, it seems? Let's find out this value there. 2 colored faces. I'll write down this. Now, is this 2 colored face? Yes. Is this 2 colored face? Yes, because bottom is not painted. This is 2 colored face. Is this 2 colored? No, this is 3 colored, 3 colored. Is this 2 colored? Yes. 2. 2. Accepted. 2. In each face, how many are you observing there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Such are there 4 sides. 4 into 9 is how much? 36. Yes. Apart from that, can you observe anywhere? No. All these sides you can observe there. So your answer is 36. How many cubes have more than 3 color? Or equal to more than is the question asked. No, equal to or more than. So where do we observe 3 colored faces? This is a 3 colored face. This is a 3 colored face. Only 2, 4, 6, 8. Totally 8. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And this is your option. So in this way we can solve the cubes very well. Tomorrow we will solve folding and cutting of a cube. That will be very interesting for you. Okay. Chal. I hope so. I am clear up to now. Are there any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can post me in the comment section box, on the community section box, also in the app now. And I am forwarding the PDFs to the community section box also every day. Do check there. As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats using with my code NLN10. You can share my free classes with your friends and they can watch my free classes unlocking with my code NLN10. And the price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. We have introduced a new category of 9 months. Do try to subscribe those who are aiming at GATE 2023 exactly. And we have added this community feature, right? So you can ask any doubt in this community, right? I am forwarding notes every day into this communities, right? So do try to use this. And we are going to divide this Unacademy GATE and ESE category into 4 separate subscriptions from June 1st. So those who want to watch the content of all the 6 branches, subscribe now itself by the month end. Right, and this is the price for iconic 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN for 12 months. But we are giving you 21% drop there for all the categories. Right, we are going to hike the price by up to 20%. Those who are aiming to get the best quality courses with less prices, do try to subscribe before this offer ends. So see here, June 1st, right? And those who are aiming at only test series, right, you can use this GATE Lite subscription for your test series, detailed solutions and performance analysis of your mock test, subject wise test, right? And if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone to clear your doubt here. Just click the picture there, crop it, upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language and get the video solutions within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a go. Coming to the next one, right? So do try to use my special class features, right? So see here, I'm dealing campus placement strategy sessions here, which will be damn helpful for the persons who are aiming at very good placements, right? Do try to use this. The interaction level will be 10x more than on YouTube, yeah. And do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the classes. And please do try to hit the like button. Share my classes so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF in the Telegram group, hit the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.